Chapter 1: Arrival of Europeans in India. Hello, children. How are you? Our country, India, is also known as Land of the Aryans. The country is the motherland of many famous people. As in present times, our country was famous during ancient times too. People of various countries were being influenced by our culture and prosperity. Many people worldwide were eager to enter into trade with our country and earn wealth out of it. For this reason, people from the European countries came to India. Today, let us learn about the Europeans who came to India. Earlier, merchants from various countries came to India from northwest by land route for the purpose of trading. The land route was stopped, because of which European nations could not get Indian commodities like silk, cotton clothes, muslin, black pepper, spices, and many other things which were in great demand in the European countries. To take advantage of this situation, many countries of Europe started searching for a sea route to India. Subsequently, some adventurous sailors of Europe and other countries started the search for a sea route to come to India. Columbus, an Italian explorer, thought that one could go to the east via west also. In 1492, Columbus started his journey to India and accidentally reached America. As long as he lived, he believed that he had discovered the sea route to India. Even today, the natives of America are called Red Indians, and the island group in the Caribbean is known as the West Indies. During the same time, a native from Portugal, Vasco da Gama, discovered the sea route to India. His ship was finally able to go around the Cape of Good Hope at Africa's southern tip and headed north along Africa's eastern coast, stopping at Malindi. With the help of a local navigator, Vasco da Gama was able to cross the Indian Ocean and reach the western coast of India at Calicut on 22nd May 1498. The then ruling king of Calicut, Zamorin, gave the Portuguese permission to trade.